Today I'd like to discuss affiliate marketing and some of the lessons I've learned down through the years. I have promoted everything you can think of, from ClickBank products, high-ticket items, pay-per-click campaigns, Facebook ads, YouTube marketing, Instagram theme pages, solo ads, etc., etc. I mean, you name it in the online marketing space, and chances are I've done it. Now, I don't tell you this to blow my own trumpet. I've been in the affiliate marketing space since 2010, and I've dipped in and out of the industry on multiple occasions from then until now, going full-time in mid-2015 for some coaching and to do affiliate marketing full-time, etc. However, I always find myself falling back into the corporate world due to the industry I specialise in. But more about that later. Let's talk affiliate marketing. I mean, what if you could make money at any time, from anywhere, even while you sleep? Well, that's the concept behind affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process by which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. The affiliate simply searches for a product they enjoy, then promote that product and earns a piece of the profit from each sale that they make. The sales are tracked via affiliate links from one website to another. Affiliate marketing is a great way to drive sales and generate significant online revenue. Extremely beneficial to both brands and affiliate marketers, the new push towards less traditional marketing tactics has certainly paid off. In fact, affiliate marketing spend in the United States increased from $5.4 billion in 2017 to $8.2 billion in 2022, which means there's plenty of room for those looking to get a piece of the pie. So what are the 5 benefits of affiliate marketing that I have found? Passive income. While any regular job requires you to be at work to make money, affiliate marketing offers you the ability to make money while you sleep. By investing an initial amount of time into a campaign, you will see continuous returns on that time as consumers purchase the product over the following days and weeks, which means you receive money for your work long after you finished it. Even when you're not in front of your computer, your marketing skills will be earning you a steady flow of income. Another benefit is no customer support. Individual sellers and companies offering products or services have to deal with their customers and ensure they are satisfied with what they have purchased. Thanks to the affiliate marketing structure, you'll never have to be concerned with customer support or customer satisfaction. The entire job of the affiliate marketer is to link the seller with the consumer. The seller deals with any consumer complaints after you receive your commission from the sale. Another benefit is you can work from home. If you're someone who hates going to the office, affiliate marketing is the perfect solution. You'll be able to launch campaigns and receive revenue from the products that sellers create while working from the comfort of your own home. I mean, this is a job you can do without even getting out of your pajamas. Also, affiliate marketing is cost effective. Most businesses require upfront startup fees as well as a cash flow to finance the product being sold. However, affiliate marketing can be done at a low cost, meaning you can get started quickly and without much hassle. Beginning this line of work is relatively straightforward. It's also convenient and flexible. Since you're essentially becoming a freelancer, you get ultimate independence in setting your own goals, redirecting your path when you feel so inclined, choosing a product that interests you, and even in determining your own hours. This convenience means you can diversify your portfolio if you like, or focus solely on simple and straightforward campaigns. You'll also be free from company restrictions and regulations, as well as ill-performing teams. Affiliate marketing is also performance-based. With other jobs, you could work an 80-hour week and still earn the same salary. The good thing about affiliate marketing is that it's purely based on your performance. You'll get out of it what you put into it. Honing your reviewing skills and writing engaging campaigns will translate to direct improvements in your revenue. And you'll finally get paid for the outstanding work that you do. So how do affiliate marketers get paid, I hear you ask? A quick and inexpensive method of making money without the hassle of actually selling a product? Affiliate marketing has an undeniable draw for those looking to increase their income online. But how does an affiliate get paid after linking the seller to the consumer? Well, the answer can get complicated. But the consumer doesn't always need to buy the product for the affiliate to get a kickback. Depending on the program, the affiliate contribution to the seller's sales will be measured differently. And the affiliate may get paid in various ways. Pay per sale. This is the standard affiliate marketing structure. In this program, the merchant pays the affiliate a percentage of the sale price of the product after the consumer purchases the product as a result of an affiliate marketing strategy. In other words, the affiliate must actually get the investor to invest in the affiliate product before they are compensated. Pay per lead. A more complex system, pay-per-lead affiliate marketing programs compensate the affiliate based on the conversion of leads. The affiliate must persuade the consumer to visit the merchant's website and complete the desired action, whether it's filling out a contact form, signing up for a trial of the product, subscribing to a newsletter, or downloading software or files. Then there's pay-per-click. Affiliate marketing is largely about generating traffic to websites and trying to get customers to click and to take action. So the myth that affiliate marketing is all about search engine optimization is no surprise. However, while organic traffic is free, SEO simply can't sustain affiliate marketers in such a saturated market, which is why some affiliate marketers utilize pay-per-click. Pay-per-click programs focus on incentivizing the affiliate to redirect customers from their marketing platform to the merchant's website. This means the affiliate must engage the consumer to the extent that they will move from the affiliate site to the merchant site. And the affiliate is based on the increase in web traffic. There are two common concepts in pay-per-click. CPA, or cost per acquisition. With this model, the affiliate gets paid each time the seller or retailer acquires a lead, which is when an affiliate link takes the consumer to the merchant's online store and they take an action, such as subscribing to an email list or filling out a Contact Us form. And then there's EPC, or earnings per click. This is the measure for the average earnings per 100 clicks for an affiliate in a retailer's affiliate program. But then there's also pay per install. In this payout system, the affiliate gets paid each time they direct a user to the merchant's website and they install a product, generally a mobile app or software. So if a retailer budgets for a 10-cent bid for each install generated via an affiliate program and the campaign results in 1,000 installs, then the retailer will pay 10 cents by 1,000, which is $100. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, just leave a comment below this video. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out some of the other videos on the channel. Until next time, take care, goodbye.